Welcome back, guys, to my channel. And guys, today we will be preparing. I wonder if I may see this, you know what we're going to be preparing. So if you don't know, we are going to be cooking some franks and baked bean, Jamaican style franks and baked bean with white rice. So to my new viewers, welcome, and to my old viewers, welcome back. Yes, guys, welcome. And I hope that you will enjoy this menu or this little video that I'm putting together for you today. So let's get straight into it. Okay, people, this is our next step. So I went ahead, and these are 4 frankfurters that I have chopped. 4 frankfurters that I cut in small pieces like this. You can do it to the size of your choice. Tomatoes, hot pepper, bell pepper, and chopped onion. This is the baked bean that I pour in this container, and we're just going to go to our next step now. So I'm going to wash the rice and place it on the cooker. Washing the rice is very important. Okay, people, you should wash your rice. Yes. Okay, guys, so place our rice on the cooker now, and this is my key tip when cooking rice. I love, as you can see in the previous video, how much times I wash my rice. I love to wash my rice until the water runs clear, and that is my way. And in the cooking rice, low flame. So you want to have the lowest flame on your cooker for rice, steam rice. So I added my salt, a teaspoon of salt, and this is just a cut of butter. And then stir your rice. Cover to steam, and that should be just fine for you. So place the frying pot on the stove with our oil, waiting for it to add our ingredients in for the franks and baked bean, guys. And these meals are quite simple and easy to prepare. You know, our Jamaican franks and baked bean. Try it at home. Add your ingredients to it. You can take from the ingredients as well. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Carry them over to our channel to see the good cooking that we are doing over here. So we'll add the ingredients now, because by now the idea must act. First up, yes, onion. Thirsty out. Here people come with a spoon. Big up breast. Breast. Yes, thank you. Whenever I'm preparing this meal, I love to add my, the franks after I add the onions, whatever, cook out together. But we know the franks is going to take more time than the rest of the ingredients to cook. You want to ensure that these ladies cook out properly, You don't want raw food in our stomach. Not that franks can cook raw, but and it's easy to cook too, but the rest of the ingredients are way easier to cook. Let's add our pepper, tomatoes, bell pepper. Stir out that to fry. I love when I season and get them in the pots. I like eat them crunchy. I like them visible. Yeah. As you can see, we're not working with excess oil here. And and our baked beans now. This meal is going to be so tasty, so delicious, people. You're not in the mood for the heavy cooking? You have some franks in your fridge, you have some baked beans in your cupboard. Put them together. Sprinkle a little black pepper over it. And add our Grace ketchup. Big up Grace, I love Grace. I've got to have me some Grace ketchup. No other ketchup don't make sense to me, but Grace. Love me my Grace ketchup. Yeah. When it comes to certain things, it's just Grace for me. Big up Grace. Yeah. So just a few more minutes. Not even minutes, like seconds. And this is all ready. So I'm gonna give it like 20 or 30 more seconds and turn it off while we wait for rice to finish and check our rice. So this is it, guys. I think I'm going to turn this off now and check the rice. That turn off. We check the rice over here, so not too rich no way, but we can wait. So we'll cover this now and wait on our rice to finish to plate this meal. Yes, guys, here's our franks and baked bean ready. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And if you have reached this far in our video, I hope that you enjoyed this video and try this menu at home. Thank you for stopping by. Share with a friend, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Bye. See you in my next video. Thank you.